Hello dear students, I'm back with the chapter Components of Food. We are into our second chapter and today we are going to see the second subtopic. In the last subtopic, in the last lecture, we saw that what are the various components of food, and we know now that these components are called nutrients. The ingredients of the food contain some special components which are essential for our body to function properly. We also saw the 5 nutrients, the names of the 5 nutrients. So what are those? If you remember them, they are, the 5 nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. So these are the 5 nutrients which together, maybe in combination of one or two or all of them, make the food items, right? So these components, if we want to see the sources, right? Because we are now interested in what each of these nutrients does for our body. So let's start with the first one, which is carbohydrates. So the carbohydrates are energy giving foods. They give energy to our body. We need energy in our daily life to perform all the activities, right? I need energy to teach to you. I need energy to write. I need energy to talk. I also need energy to listen. You might have observed that when you are tired, when you are feeling very low, when you have not had your food, you are not able to concentrate. Why? Because to listen, to absorb into your mind also you need energy. To eat also you need energy, right? In fact, to sleep also you need energy. When you haven't had your food and you are hungry, you can't also sleep properly, right? So energy is needed for the various activities you perform in your everyday routine. For each and every activity you need energy. You want to go and play outside, you want to study, you want to do skipping, jumping, running, everything needs energy. In some activities energy is needed in less quantities and in others more energy is needed. So this energy is provided by the carbohydrates mainly. So the carbohydrates are energy giving foods. Okay, these are energy giving foods. Now you should start to think from which of the food items, from which of the sources I will get the energy, right? So the richest source of carbohydrates is your rice, chapatis made out of different kinds of flour, wheat or rice or makka, jawari, everything has carbohydrates, okay? And then you have breads, pastas. All these things are rich sources of carbohydrates. Potatoes, yes. So many things which we eat. So if you see your meals also, these are the things you will eat in the largest amount. If you see the plate of yours, you will see that it majorly consists of the chapati and the rice. Why? Because these carbohydrates are going to give you energy. They are needed in large amount in your body. Alright? These carbohydrates are giving you energy. Other than this, there is another nutrient, fats, which also give you energy, right? So fats are also energy giving compounds. They are also energy giving. So now in the category of energy giving foods, we have two things, carbohydrates and fats. Now fats give more amount of energy as compared to the carbohydrates. So if you take this much quantity of carbohydrates and this much quantity of fat, then the amount of energy fat will give will be much higher than the carbohydrates. And that's why when you eat the fats, you should be eating them in less amount. Got it? Because only small amount of fat will give you enough energy for the requirements of your body. You do not need the extra amount of energy, right? That's why ghee, oil, they should be eaten in limited amounts. But all the fatty items, they should be eaten in less amounts as compared to the carbohydrates. Okay, because the amount of energy provided by the same quantity of fat is much higher than the same quantity of the carbohydrates. The sources of fats are all the types of oils which are used in food. Okay, canola oil, sunflower oil, olive oil, coconut oil, mustard oil, linseed oil, peanuts oil, groundnut oil. So all the kinds of oils, all the kinds of butters, peanut butter, and these kind of things, ghee, so all they are containing a huge amount of fat. Fat gives energy to your body. Also, it provides insulation to various delicate and important parts of your body. So fats are also healthy in a limited amount. Fats are very much rich. Another very rich source of fat is avocados. They are a great source of healthy fats. Okay. So we have seen energy giving compounds. So now you know that for every day, I need to eat them every day. They are going to help me every day to perform all the activities, right? Now let's move to, I am doing the activities every day, but my body is also growing, right? Along with the age, the body is growing. It is becoming stronger. My muscles are growing. So what do my body need for this? My body needs proteins, which is our third nutrient. The third nutrient is proteins. Proteins are the bodybuilding foods. These are bodybuilding or growth promoting. Bodybuilding, and also they promote the growth of the body. So, proteins, where are the proteins found? Proteins are found in all kinds of dals, legumes, pulses which you eat. Tur dal, chana dal, you eat lots of dals, right? Moong dal, the sprouts which you eat, the grams which you eat, all the beans, kidney beans, the barbatis, all those things, soya, they are rich source of proteins. Also milk which you eat every day, they are very rich source of proteins. That's why you might have heard your mom yelling at you, right? Drink milk every day. Why? Because you all are at growing age. And proteins are growth promoting. They are body building. Your muscles have to build themselves. Your muscles have to grow when you grow, right? So for this growth, milk is very important, which in turn says the proteins are very important. So every day you should have dals. You should have, you can have kidney beans or the choles or rajmas and moat, sprouts, as maybe as breakfast or as salad if you want, or as the sabzi, but you should be eating them. So proteins are very much required for the growth, for the repair of the damaged tissues also. So sometimes when you are hurt, when your body is hurt and you have some bruises or something, so for the repair of the skin, for the repair of the tissues of the muscle, you need proteins. So it is actually required for the growth, it is required for building your body, and it is also required for the repair of the damaged tissues in your body. Very important, right? So now we know energy giving foods which is required every day for your various activities. Proteins which are helping you to grow, right? They are not giving you energy, they are helping you to grow. Then comes the vitamins and minerals. These two are called protective foods. Can you think why? They are called protective foods. because they protect us from various diseases. I am doing all the activities perfectly because I have enough carbohydrates. I am growing properly because I have proteins. But what if one day I get some infection, right? So to get protection from various diseases, from various infections, I need vitamins and minerals. Okay? They help us to be protected from various kinds of diseases. There are different types of vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B complex, which has certain 10 to 12 vitamins included inside it. Then vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin A, E, vitamin K. So there are many kinds of vitamins, and also there are many minerals as well, right? Potassium, sodium, phosphorus, chlorine, fluoride, all these things. So we are going to see in detail what all these minerals and vitamins are required for. Okay, let's see next. Let's move to the vitamins and minerals because they have many things included inside them. So first of all, vitamins. Vitamins are made from two words. Vital. Vital means necessary, or means, which is a chemical group. Okay, so these all are very vital ingredients of our food because they protect us from diseases. There are different kinds of vitamins. Okay, as you can see here, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. And we have to see from which sources do we get them. So let's first of all see vitamin A. Vitamin A is very important for your eyes. Okay, very important for your eyes and for your healthy skin. This vitamin is found in papaya, carrot, mangoes. So you have to eat lot of them to get large amount of vitamin A. Vitamin A is required for healthy eyes. Vitamin A is required for healthy skin and eyes. These are the sources of vitamin A. Okay, now let's move to vitamin B. Vitamin B1. Vitamin B has many group of vitamins inside it. I am talking about specially vitamin B1, which is required for proper functioning of the muscles. Okay, proper functioning of muscles. These are the food sources where you will get vitamin B1. Okay, now let's move to the next vitamin, which is vitamin C. Vitamin C is rich in the citrus fruits. It will be rich in lemons, oranges, sweet lime, lemon, oranges, sweet lime. So all the sour fruits, the citrus fruits, they have lots of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps to fight against various diseases and infections. That's why, you know, nowadays when corona is there and you are having hot water, it is recommended that you squeeze some lemon into it because it is going to protect you from the diseases and from the infections. It makes your immunity stronger. Fine. Next is vitamin D. Vitamin D is very important for healthy and strong bones and teeth. So for bones and teeth. And where will you find this vitamin? It is present in certain food items like milk. But the most special thing about this vitamin D is it is a sunshine vitamin. You are going to get this vitamin when you are exposed to sun. So when sun is there, your body is automatically going to synthesize the vitamin D. it is very important for the kids, for the growing age people, and for all of us that we get the sunlight for at least some hours in a day. Okay, so vitamin D is a very special vitamin because it is a sunshine vitamin. It is a sunshine vitamin. Okay, now we move to vitamin E. Let's see what is special in vitamin E. So students, we saw 4 vitamins A, B, C and D, and other than this we have dietary fibers and water, which are also 2 very important components added to these 5 components. So we are going to see them in the next lecture. Till then, bye.